Good morning and have a nice day, everybody. This is our VNM program, Vimukti Niwan Maga. The Sinhalese words meaning in English is the liberation path to enlightenment. So almost 15 videos we have presented throughout this program. This is the second part of our season 2 program. Also from these videos we try to give you good guidance about study or research about Buddhism, and we give you some tips and topics and some material you can use for your study. Now this program came to at its last program, the last step, but we are not stopping here. In future we will arrange another program. It's another season, another exploration, another beginning of this program, but in detailed manner, in more subjective and more resources using, we are going to present this program. Mostly we are planning it to do it when we are in Sri Lanka, but here we have very limited time, very limited space to present you a full program. For in future, hopefully we will believe that we will be able to present you a good program as our season 3 of this Vimukti Niwan Maga, the VNM. Also, this liberation path to enlightenment, we always like to explain this path any time, anywhere, with anybody in the world. There is no doubt, because we in some way we have experienced this. That's why we have encouraged people, and we have full confidence about this. That's why we always ready to give witness to this path of enlightenment. As a normal person, I didn't come to full enlightenment until now. I am only a researcher still. I am only working. I am trying to walk on this path. But in some way, I have some experience about comprehension, some levels of this path. So that's why I am. I can what I have touched, what I have covered, what I have researched, what I have did my voyage about that area. I can answer any condition, any question regarding my subjective area related to me. So that's why we are happy to present this program. So we hope you all enjoy this program. It almost complete 15 videos in English. So today we have to finally we need to discuss Khuddaka Nikaya, the common sutra book, the last Nikaya, the 5th book of Sutra Pitaka. So there, for commonly for all Bhikkhu generations, there are many advices include there very important doctrinal facts. If it is commonly present, it helps in some way. It helps to the Buddhist tradition, and also it's a briefing about all Tripitaka, because all areas were briefly mentioning there. So it was included with many, around 17 to 18 books, including Khuddaka Pāṭa, Itivuttaka, Sutta Nipāta, Theragātha, Therigātha, Petavastu, Vimanavastu, Jātaka, Niddesa, Patisamhidāmagga, Apadāna, Buddhavansa, Charyapitaka, and Nettippakarana and Pitakopadesa. These kind of books included in Khuddaka Nikaya. So each book has a very deep value, and we are, as a normal people, Buddhist normal people of Theravada Buddhism, especially people like peoples in countries like Sri Lanka, they very close to this Nikaya, because in Buddhist traditions of these countries, they were have relationship, they were grown up with, they have got resources for their lives from these books, like for example Jataka Paliya. There was good guidance to all peoples of the society regarding the human mind, the behavement of mind, and the activities people doing according to their suggestions of mind, to understand these things for normal people. This Jataka Paliya, the books like Jataka Paliya have given a very good experience, very good resources for them. So that's why our society, from the history, it become one of the ideologic, one of the example examplable society for the world, the Sri Lankan Buddhist culture. In that way also, these kind of Khuddaka Nikaya is also precious. So now we briefed you about all the books, about all the divisions and all the books included, each divisions in Tripitaka, and we explain everything briefly. So the next part, as we mentioned in the in the beginning of this video, this is your turn to do a research and find out the value of Buddhism, because even you belongs to any religion, it is very valuable and you must do it, because without do researching about other religions, you cannot guess what is the truth. So even you belongs to any religion, you must do a study about other religions if you are searching complete spiritual relief. So you need to study each and every religion. Then finally you need to select spiritually from the message of your heart, which is the path of truth. So in this big research, you must include Buddhism. That's why I am suggesting you refer our program, refer our Facebook page, the doctrine page. We are highlighting English page here, and we have also Sinhalese page here. Take the guidance from our program, do research there, because before you study the scriptures of Buddhism, the Tripitaka, you will get a good briefing about it through our pages. So after that, you will study the research, you will do the research, and you will get the full complete experience about it. So I invite you and I hope you all the best results in your research, and I wish it might be successful, and I wish for its success. So my dear rewarded people, thank you very much for being with me. I will be with you even in the future by good programs same like this, but very detailed and very resourceable programs. Thank you very much. May I will bless you everybody. May the blessings of I also bless you, and I also wish you the blessings of the most supreme holy triple gems of the world, Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. The blessings of this triple gem always be with you. Thank you. That is my wish. Thank you everyone. We'll see you from our next season. So I am Surat Chamara from VNM, our program. Temporarily, goodbye everybody.